What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today I'm going to show you how to make some tortilla pizzas. Boy, going to be some good stuff, easy to do, and it's going to be good for you. So, let's get in the groove and start to move. You know what I'm talking about, baby? Ooh! That's right, baby, the tortilla pizza. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, tortilla pizza, man? Are you talking about a pizza quesadilla like you made a couple weeks ago? No, I'm not. I'm talking about a for real deal tortilla crust pizza deal. And I'll show you what I'm talking about here because you're saying again, like, oh, looks like you already got your pizza, man. What'd you call delivery or was it DiGiorno? It was none of the above, buddy. It was homemade and easy to do, and let me show you, Donatello. Now, first thing that you got to do, get you some tortillas. I already had these little fajita style tortillas from dinner from the other night, so I'm going to use them. But if you want to, you can go ahead and get the big old kind and make you a big old pizza. And that's the thing about it. This tortilla crust is kind of going to give you that thin, crunchy, crispy cracker crust feel that you get, you know, from those places around town. So, but at a lesser price and, you know, good. So, first thing that you got to do, take them tortillas, get you a skillet, get that skillet hot to trot, just like Big Daddy over here. And you want to put a little vegetable oil in there. You know, that vegetable. I'm not talking about the oil that Bob Ross used on his canvas. I'm talking about the veggie table. Now, not too much. You just want to put enough in there to kind of line the bottom so that the damn thing don't burn the house down, you know. And then you go ahead and put your tortilla in there. Now, that skillet, you know, the thing about this is you don't have to move fast, man. Kind of like the offensive line of them Chiefs, baby. You know I love them. So, you're going to have to be quick about it because you don't want to burn the bottom, baby. So, and you're kind of going to assemble them in pan. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So, turn that skillet down to medium heat. Not low, but, you know, about medium. And I only do about 2 at a time. Now, put your tortilla in there. And then we are going to add what, baby? The sauce, because you know me, that sauce is the boss. And today we just got a can of Hunt's original pasta sauce, cheap, good, and it'll have you in there kind of like the Turtles in Time arcade game, you know, when you get the extra life, pizza time. So put that sauce on there. I put mine on there thick because you know me, I like that sauce, baby. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little cheese, if you please. We're going to get cheesy like a Kevin Costner movie in this bitch. So put your cheese on there today. I just got some old Velveeta shredded cheddar because cheddar is better and it was cheap. So then go add some meat because to me a pizza's got to have some meat on it. And the meat today is the old pepperoni, that good stuff, you know. Not that stuff that Pizza Hut's got or Pizza the Hut or whatever the hell you want to call it, you know. So get that pepperoni, put that on top of there, make it look beautiful, baby, just like you. And then I'm going to top mine off with just a little bit of green peppers because I went ahead and before this happened, that's another thing I want to tell you. Before you even get started, Buster Brown, make sure that you've got your old ingredients all diced up, ready to go. And that's the thing about it. You can really do this any way that you want to do it, babe. You can put, you know, you can make a supreme deal. You can put black olives and onions and all kinds of mushrooms and stuff like that and make the old Bigfoot that they used to sell. But you know me, baby. I ain't got time for that shit, so just a little green pepper to flavor our lives, baby. You know, the flavor of life. So, green peppers on top, and then I, you know, put a little extra cheese on top, just kind of seal the deal there, buddy, you know. Yeah. So, once you get that in there, everything's good to go. I kind of turn mine down just a little bit more, and then I put a lid on top to kind of let that cheese steam and melt without burning the ass end of it, because you don't want to burn your culo. So, once you get that done, that's all there is to it, baby. See what I'm saying? This is an easy weeknight meal, good for the after-school snack, if you know what I mean. If you're sitting around watching, what would you be watching? Power Rangers? Something like that, son. You know, that's all I gotta say to you. It's straightforward, it's easy to do, and it's good for you. So, we're gonna stand back and take a good old sight. We're getting ready to take a big, beautiful bite of these delicious little tortilla pizzas tonight. You know what I'm talking about, Jack? But not before I have my mango. Yeah. Alright, baby, the time has come. The pizza tortilla deal. It's all done, and I'm about to have that first bite for me, baby. So, let me grab this dude right here and see, that's what you want right there. See how it's not floppy? It ain't no floppy disk. It's the real deal, the crunchy thin. So, let's begin. Boy. Perfecto, you know what I'm talking about? That's good. It's got that crunchy crust, that good pizza flavor with the sauce and the cheese, pepperoni on top. And like I say, man, I already had these tortillas laying around, but honestly, if you were going to go ahead and buy everything that you had to buy here, you could do this shit for like less than 20 bucks and feed a whole lot of people. So, I want to thank you people for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on that social media. And you can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy them tortilla pizzas. And beer and pizza always do go together, so gotta have a little bit of both. And I will see you next time.